Electric bikes have revolutionized the cycling industry, offering a convenient and eco-friendly mode of transportation that appeals to a wide range of individuals. With the continuous development of battery technology and electric motors, e-bikes have become increasingly popular for both commuting and recreational purposes. Among the numerous manufacturers in the market, Privateer, a renowned UK-based company known for its premium mountain bikes, has recently made waves with the release of their latest innovation, the E-161. This electric enduro mountain bike stands out as a remarkable combination of cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and affordability, challenging the status quo of high-end e-bikes. The E-161 from Privateer is a game-changer in the electric mountain bike segment. It integrates top-tier components and features to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. At the heart of this exceptional machine lies its powerful electric motor, which provides a substantial boost to the rider's pedaling efforts. This assists in conquering challenging terrains, steep hills, and difficult climbs that may have been daunting on a traditional mountain bike. The motor seamlessly integrates with the bike's drivetrain, ensuring a smooth and responsive power delivery that enhances the rider's overall control and enjoyment. Privateer, in response to the growing demand for a high-performing electric enduro bike, joined forces with Shimano, a renowned name in the cycling industry, to create their flagship model, the E-161. This collaboration has resulted in a machine that not only meets, but exceeds the expectations of riders seeking a race-ready enduro bike with an electric boost. Central to the E-161's exceptional performance is the Shimano EP801 electric motor. This powerful motor provides an impressive 85 Nm of torque, ensuring ample power to conquer even the most challenging terrains. With a peak power output of 500 watts, riders can confidently tackle steep climbs and demanding trails with ease. The integration of the Shimano motor ensures a seamless and responsive power delivery, enhancing the rider's control and overall riding experience. To complement the motor's impressive capabilities, the E-161 is equipped with a 630 Wh battery pack from Shimano. This high-capacity battery ensures a reliable and long-lasting power supply, allowing riders to go the distance without worrying about running out of energy. Whether embarking on long rides or tackling demanding trails, the E-161's battery provides the necessary power for an exhilarating and uninterrupted ride. Privateer's collaboration with Shimano extends beyond the motor and battery, as the E-161 incorporates other top-tier components that further enhance its performance. The bike's drivetrain, for instance, benefits from Shimano's expertise in precision engineering, ensuring smooth and efficient gear shifting even in demanding off-road conditions. This attention to detail and commitment to quality results in a ride that is both reliable and exhilarating. The Privateer E-161 excels in challenging terrain, thanks to its sturdy 6061 T6 aluminum full suspension frame. Unmatched performance is provided by its 170mm Fox 38 Performance Elite e-bike fork, and the Fox Float X2 Performance rear shock, which is a generous 161mm of rear wheel travel. Control and maneuverability are further improved by the mixed wheel setup, which is a 29-inch front wheel, and a 27.5-inch rear wheel with Hunty all-mountain rims. Shimano's dependable SLX 12-speed gearbox guarantees fluid shifting on a variety of surfaces. While the Privateer E-161 impresses with its remarkable features and cutting-edge technology, what truly distinguishes it from its competitors is its affordability. Price of €7,499 or approximately $8,385, this e-bike offers a level of performance and quality that is typically associated with much higher-priced models. Privateer has managed to strike a balance between premium features and an accessible price point, making the E-161 an attractive option for riders who desire top-notch performance without straining their budget. In a market where high-end e-bikes often come with exorbitant price tags, the E-161 stands out as a game-changer. Privateer has made it their mission to provide riders with exceptional quality and performance at a fraction of the cost. By carefully selecting and incorporating components that deliver optimal functionality without sacrificing performance, the company has managed to create an e-bike that offers incredible value for its price. I have always been surprised by bikes that cost like a car. Who purchases them? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.